for me to dwell in your house than to be elsewhere. It's more blessed for me to be in your presence and seek your face. I will put my trust in you, Lord. You are the maker of all things. You will deliver me in days of trouble. For you are my shield and my fortress. In times of trouble in life, human strength don't avail much. Wealth and money are not worth unless you give us your favor, oh Lord. I will put my trust in you, Lord. You are the maker of all things. You will deliver me in days of trouble. For you are my shield and my fortress. Human efforts are in vain unless you would build us, Lord. A moment of your favor is worth more than a lifetime of labor. I will put my trust in you, Lord. You are the maker of all things. You will deliver me in days of trouble. For you are my shield and my fortress. When you delight in a man's ways, Lord, you make his steps steady and firm. Your hand always upholds him, even when he